Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the PEPE coin on your Binance application. So our first step is going to be opening up Binance. And once Binance has opened up, if you do not possess any cryptocurrency to use the conversion option, which is here, if you do not possess that, you simply click on deposit, where you can simply deposit or rather buy with your MasterCard or P2P trading. You could pay for these services, which is highly recommended, or you could deposit some other crypto assets, which is supported from 1inch to BTC to AVE to XRP. Whatever cryptocurrency you might possess outside of the PEPE coin can be deposited here and used for conversion. So with that, we simply click on the convert option. We click on from USDT to PEPE. So we're looking to get some PEPE on our hands. And I'm looking to get about $1.05 worth of PEPE. So I click on preview conversion. I click on convert. And boom, the PEPE token is successfully purchased or successfully swapped into our wallet. So if you head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen and you scroll to spots and you click on PEPE, we can now have an overview of our PEPE token and how much it costs, as well as the daily profit and loss. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy PEPE on Binance, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.